Guys, a very good morning. Mamuka say, Mamuka say, Mamuka say. So we are taking a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. So there is a video which is so important, a video which we must all see, which is from Kembo Dagish Mohadi, which exposes how ZANU PF is planning to rig the 2023 elections. So, and the number of Dengu, ZANU PF systematically rigs elections. Let us take a look onto this video so that you get to understand the reason why we are here bringing this video. So it was shot by Hatinso Television Network, and let us take a look.
Your Excellency, the meetings that we have been having with the traditional leadership, that is the chiefs, headmen, and village heads, we got an assurance that when we go for the elections, come July or August, you say you're the only one who knows the date, whichever date you are going to give us. In the valley, we've got a say which goes this way. Zio diba la matole. That's zisha diba ne muru. Sabhuku anonga atarira achiona kuti vari kupinda here vake vapedza kuvhota vake achazovhota pakupedzisira mumwe wodaro saizvozvo, because we want to take stock and to want to know as to whether what we've imparted to one another is being adhered to. So be rest assured that we are going to have a clean sweep in this part of the country, Mashonaland West.
So, Team Zimbabwe, this is the video from Kembo Dagish Mohadi, who is a vice president within the ZANU PF party and no longer the vice president of Zimbabwe. So, if you take a look onto how ZANU PF operates, this is how they rig elections. This is how they are using traditional chiefs to win these elections. So the issue is, if you take a look onto the constitution, it says traditional leaders should be apolitical. Traditional leaders should entertain every politician, every candidate from all political organizations. But this time around, they've been turned to ZANU PF political commissar into their respective areas. They now play ZANU PF politics. They now do everything for ZANU PF. They now mobilize people for ZANU PF. But if you are an opposition person and goes to them, they will not allow you to convene a meeting. So that is the problem which we now have in the nation of Zimbabwe, because traditional leaders should do whatever they're supposed to be doing, and they should follow the constitution to the fullest. The problem is that they no longer understand